Back to you now. Girl. Remember say you don't like your son, you know. Big stinking Obi working Shana. Remember say you tell me say you work Obi upon blood clot cousin of bitch. Big stinking Shana. Remember you tear up cause blood clot where something name where your information depend and it blew. Where something name? Can't be go and talk no. Where something name where information depend and it tell you say you born a Jubilee and your name and your mother name and your father name. Bird paper. Big stinking girl. Remember say when me and you clean up your crabblehouse bumbuckler house, you find cause bird paper. And me look pan you. And if you come on the internet and tell no lie, bitch, gotta go strike you. And me look pan you. And me say, yo, send the man bird paper go give him. As I come before you, Father God. When she find cause bird paper in her house, me look pan her and me say, Shana, give cause him bird paper. Give cause him bird paper. You know the girl look pan me and say, girl say she nah give him nothing. Cause them say she obey him and she no want to go give him the bird paper and something wrong with him and them go find out and she obey him again. Remember say you tell me say you obey cause. Remember say you tear up cause bird paper in front of my face. Remember say when me I tell you say we give cousin bird paper, you tear it up in front of my face. And remember you tell me say you walk over upon cause. Remember at night time when you go down to Maxfield to your son. Remember you tell me say your son sleep in a one room with him father girl, him father rest a pitney them and him sleep in a one little corner. Sometimes him sleep on the ground. Remember you tell me say how your son a live. And when you visit your son, I give him money and I cook some food I been go give him. Me look pan you and me tell you say, why you don't take your son? If you might live so, why you don't take him? Babes, every time I take him give problem, so me have to send him back. Me say, listen to me. Take your son from this so, because you have a next room. Take your son. Since you're a big old celebrity, since you're pepper sauce, wagwan, copper sauce, I am dealing with a matter. Cause this big stinking girl named Ochi. I call up my name and I don't see her. But I go see her. And I don't care if nobody wants to say me a mama man, or me a waste man, or me a this, or me a that. The girl been a call up my name, bro, and I nah see her, bro. But this time, I go answer her, bro. Boom! Pretty eyes, what go on? Remember you say you're a so-called big entertainer. And when me tell you if you bring your son at your yard, you could even buy a bed for your son. You could even buy a bed for your son. And my blood clot king size bed the son if you sleep on. Since as you want to bring your son if you tell lie. Remember when you take your son and film a king size bed, your son asleep on. Remember when you take your son, when you and your son in a problem, you tell me say you don't like your son. Remember when you take your son and your son in a problem, you say as him reach 18, it's same day. If his birthday come today and him reach 18, you go kick him out. Remember when you tell me about your son, so you go send back your son down to his father for go live a careless life. Remember what you tell me about your son. So when you go come and talk about me talk this about my daughter, this about my daughter, I can tell you what I talk. But remember what you say about your own son. Remember say you have to program your son. Remember say, Ochi. Remember say when you see your son talk to me, you say what me do to your son. You say what me do to your son. And the blood clot youth say, mommy, him not do me nothing. We just rate him. Remember when the little boy son them come at the yard, them rate me. Bitch. So when you go talk about my daughter, talk facts, bitch. Talk facts. Talk facts. Remember your own son say him not like you. Cause you bring a son in a me and your thing. You bring a son and a manipulate your son to come tell lie. Remember your son not like you. Remember when you have cuss the youth and them thing there, and me ever a part to no. And I me my vent to. Him not like you. Remember the little boy tell me say him not like you. Remember the little boy tell me say him shame of you. Remember that little boy tell me say him shame of you. Him just can't do better. Remember that little boy always tell me say he don't like to go in the public with me and you. Remember that little boy where claim say I'm an entertainer in our kickers. Remember that little boy where you say you're an entertainer, him in our kickers. And if him come so, I'm football to me and see. Bitch! You go say things about my mother. Bitch, call me mother now. And me take care of my mother, bitch. Me take care of my mother. Me never chat my mother yet. Better you come on the media and say, me cuss my mother behind her back. But me not go cuss her up on the phone. Because reason why me cuss my mother, because my mother will link me today for money and then link me tomorrow. And then my brother will call me and say, yo, mommy link you, and me say, yeah. And my brother say, blood clot. You know, so she link me to and take a thing off of me. And me I say, yo, bro. And she link me to and tell me say she first and take a thing off of me. And me say, I'm going to hang up my phone and I murmur to myself and me I say, my mother a scammer, you know. Me give her me last a while ago, you know. This and that. How my mother move so. But me now talk it on the phone. But me now disrespect her on the phone. Sometimes I will say, me can't bother with her. Mummy this, mummy that. Me can't bother with her. But I am not saying it on the phone. I hang up my phone first and then I grumble to myself. So bitch, when you talk facts, bitch. Talk facts. F-A-X. Remember that you don't like your son. Remember say you don't like your son, bitch. But anybody if you see you, if you step up to you, you look clout. You are looking clout. Remember say my mother a hustler. Remember say my mother have blood clot hustler. And me murmur. And me murmur about my mother. But me not murmur on the phone. At one time alone, me cuss my mother in front of her. And bitch, me never there with her them time there. When me cuss Nadine in front of her. And at one time me cuss my mother. And when me give my mother one piece of food. And the next time she asks me, and me tell her, say, me not have so much. Like say me go link my mother and give my mother 5 grand. And me not say me give my mother 5 grand. Like me go link my mother today and give my mother 5 grand. And the next 2 days, me link her. And she said she want 10 grand. And me tell her, say, me only have 6 grand. And me will go bring her give her. And she will say, yo, a 10 grand, me say, me want it in a rare. That's the only time. Me stay in front of my mother's face. And me cuss her. And me say, mommy, every time me give you one. And the one time, me give you what I have. And that alone me have and me give you. That's all the time I cuss my mother in front of her face. And bitch, me never deal with them time there. Otherwise, when me deal with her, when I cuss my mother, or me hang up the phone, and me remember to myself, big stinking careless girl. Remember say you struggle, because your blood clot come on the media, and I chat up your mouth. Remember say you struggle, girl. Hey girl Ochi, remember you are struggling. Remember you are struggling. Remember your landlord again a problem, bitch. Remember you owe all 3 months, 4 months rent, girl. Oi. You see the black markets? You see the black 2012 markets where you have right now where you rent for $12,000? The people ain't call me and say Italian. Me know say and that the girl they know in no dealings. But you know say the girl have the markets from Tuesday and the girl gone a country. And you gonna pay for the markets from Tuesday. Go pay the people them for them blood clot rental bitch. Because you come from media talk about me the drive rental. Hey big stinking careless girl. I did have a markets. I crash girl. I did own a markets when me just a come on TikTok bitch. I crash me car crash. Big stinking girl. Big careless girl. See how one of your work at them, yeah? One of your work at them. You have bad ways, bitch. Go get the people them blood clot markets money. You owe a blood clot white crown. Where did I drive? When me I drive, you tell me if you tell the people them say your crown. A white crown. Up to today date you owe the man 50,000. Stop rent out the people them blood clot car and bad up the people them. Stop rent out the people them car and owe the people them money. From Tuesday you gone a blood clot country with the people them blood clot Mark X Black 2012 Mark X, and I can call out the license plate number as well. You need to go pay the people them $12,000 per day for the Mark X. Remember your Infinity cannot drive. Remember you have subscription. With that thing the name. Remember, a transmission now work. The engine now work. Remember, you have to rent your day in, day out. Remember, you have to rent your day in, day out. Remember, you have to rent your day in, day out. I could never be a dancer, so-called artist where I tour and don't have a car. You tell me say the white blood clot Benz where you have, where you did have, you sell it because you did broke and hungry and want money. You tell me say you sell it. You see the white Benz where the man buy fear. Me nah go call let the man they name the car. Me no want him have to sue me and them something that you see. A white Benz where you say a big general buy. You tell me say a general want back the Benz, so you can't do nothing. You have to hide him out and them thing there. Hey point blank, hey girl go suck out your mother girl. No. You sell the blood clot Benz, the white Benz, because you're the broke and hungry. Remember you told me that. Remember you told me that. See a worker there when name Kiana. Remember say enough. Kiana send me one request. Kiana send me one blood clot request. Kiana send me one request. Kiana send me one request please. Me nah be no man, me a girl. I am a bitch. I am a fish. I am a batty boy. I am not a man. Me no want nobody tell me if I be no man. Go suck out to no mother. Because when she a call up me bumbo clot name and a style me and me nah see her pussy. You know how me a blood clot drink? A fever me a drink, you know. Go suck to no mother. Me no want nobody tell me if it done. Kiana. Fat pussy Kiana. Kiana, remember you in my bed, in my king size bed, you know, Kiana, with your fat pum pum, you know. But me just never fuck you. Kiana, come here. Kiana, come here, Kiana. Remember you used to work for her, and me know she never treat you good. Kiana, remember say, and you used to give you rental. Kiana, brother, Christmas. When the girl buy pyjama, daughter, the girl did just act like she like a true no bro. When my daughter come over there, that's why I never make my daughter come over our yard. And on Christmas, I bring my daughter over there. And she never like my daughter, bro. She just act like she like my daughter. And I watch her so. And I just call my baby mother and I say, yo, I send back my daughter. And I never tell my baby mother this. Kiana!